Hey lovely ladies, gorgeous gents, and crazy kids. Before I get into today's video topic, I have to take a moment to shout out those of you that I caught promoting or talking about my book or talking about purchasing it. So if you have purchased my book, if you have promoted it and I did not get your picture or anything up there, make sure you screen cap it and send it to me so I can give you a shout out in my next video. If you are interested in purchasing The Natural Transition, your guide for going natural, you can get it for $4.99 on my website, iTunes, Amazon. Is pretty much anywhere you can download any objects for a readable device. So with that said, let's get into today's topic. Today I'm coming to you to talk about a product that I'm surprised, honestly, that I haven't talked about much before in detail. It is probably the one product throughout my whole transition and process of going natural that I have not changed out. I always encourage you all to switch things up just because your hair might get used to certain habits, certain products, things like that. This, however, is the one product that I cannot take out of my regimen. I've tried other things. They don't compare to this. I've tried going without it. My hair hates me for it. So the Organic Root Stimulator Hair Mayonnaise is what I have been using for over 3 years now, and I'm honestly completely in love with it. It's a great treatment for damaged hair. It's amazing for moisture. Leaves my hair incredibly soft for days after I use it. Makes me have the most incredible curl definition. Like, my hair is, I think, bra strap length now, but my curls coil up so much after I use this that literally I have like a teeny weeny afro. Seriously. But I love it just because it's popping things back into place as they should be, and then I go through that process of stretching out and everything. And I just really like the product. It's done everything that I need. It's continued to. I've been using it all this time. It's one of those that I highly recommend, and like I said, I never change it out. So in honor of my love for this product, I got a couple of packages of the Organic Root Stimulator Olive Oil Replenishing Pack Deep Penetrating Conditioner. Hopefully some of you all will get a chance to try this specific product out and see how much you like it in comparison to that one or others, because Organic Root Stimulator, from my experience, has just been a really good line for me. So I hope you feel the same. If you want one of these packs, make sure you visit the link in the info box below. It's going to take you to the site and give you details on exactly how to enter and get one of these packs. So like I said, enter these if you want to try the Olive Oil Replenishing Pack. Highly recommend you trying the Organic Root Stimulator Hair Mayonnaise. I wanted to come with a different type of video because I just wanted to, and my life is just so crazy right now. I just didn't know what to do. So I was just like, you know what? Let's just give some stuff away. That's always good to resort to. So if you all have any requests, let me know in the comments below. I'm really trying to stay with this, posting every Friday thing, if you haven't noticed. So with that said, I'm going to see you lovely ladies, gorgeous gents, and crazy kids very soon. Kenny loves you. Mwah.